Outreach isn't the same as broadcasting. I understand that you must send a lot of emails rapidly if you want to obtain a lot of links. However, newsflash, generic templates do not work for everyone, especially those who can have a major influence on your reach. Instead of attempting to script people, focus on developing a connection that goes deeper than share my link or here is my link. Thus, it is better to personally generate your cold emails, which we'll tackle today. Email outreach is always going to be centered on the person you're reaching out to. So the first step is to show them where they're falling short with their material. Let's assume I'm interested in promoting the service you're offering and would like to contact the website mentioned in this post. I'd suggest sending them an email and suggesting ways to improve their content. Email outreach, in whatever form it takes, should always focus on the person and never be a promotional vehicle. When launching an email marketing or outreach campaign, this is the first thing to keep in mind. You want to be able to point out anything that you could do better, rather than saying something along the lines of, "Hey, your website's search engine optimization is terrible, and I'd want to assist you in improving it." Avoid being overly formal or flowery. Instead, demonstrate your expertise with precision, and provide a convincing argument for why they should engage with you or utilize your services. For example, suppose you're conducting an outreach and you want to send an email. How do you construct it? Let's start by composing an email and sending it from our email account here. After that, you'll insert your subject, which should be related to your field of expertise. Following is the message body itself. Let's imagine reaching out to a popular makeup artist, an influencer or blogger who is just getting started and offer my assistance in optimizing their team of writers or their general site management. Now, I'd say, "Hello." Planning how you'll approach them is extremely vital. So you'll simply start with some pleasantry and a brief introduction, then point out the primary issue that you saw in their site, or whatever reason you're writing to them. Thus, it will go something like this. "Hey, I'm Sam. I'm an editor and a writer. As I was browsing your website, I saw this problem and yada yada." After pointing out the issue, you should double-check that your concerns are legitimate roadblocks to the company's success, as making money is the ultimate goal of any marketing corporation you would approach. Make the email all about them and ways you can aid their business flourish if they aren't making a profit. It is a plus if you accurately locate a place where their money is disappearing. To increase your email recipients' involvement with you, you should center the message around them and their needs. Before we continue on other tricks and techniques in creating productive email outreach, are you enjoying this video so far? If so, leave us a thumbs up and interact in the comments below. Imagine you published a blog article on how to adjust the SEO settings in Wix. What you should do now is check out a few sites that seem to have poor SEO. Send them an email outreach explaining that you have a guide that might fix their problem, and offer a modest trade in exchange for a link to your blog if they find it helpful. This is a clever strategy for gaining backlinks to your blog. Backlinks are just other websites connecting your blog or website to gain your blogs more visits. This will make you and your services seem less shady and more trustworthy to the customer. Suppose I've spotted a lot of spam authors on Medium and would want to get in touch with the team there. Of course, remember to make sure it's about them and not the service you're offering so it doesn't feel scammy and like you're simply trying to sell something. The most important part of any email outreach campaign is the issue. Therefore, you should know it before you reach out. If you found an old article and want to give it a new life by giving it a different spin and presenting new and unique proof that further supports their stance, then that's okay too. You can discuss the findings of your research on the issue. This is also a great chance to present your relevant blogs and ask for a backlink, if you believe that there is a high likelihood of them accepting. Also, you may feature and mention them on your writing. If you include these specifics in your email outreach, your recipients will be less likely to disregard you as just another link seeker. And with that, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials and videos. I have been your digital guide. I'll see you in the next one.